INCOSE as an organization actually exists on every inhabited continent on the globe right now. We have chapters throughout the world and are very, very pleased to be welcoming 2 new chapters into our European community. The chapters in Asia, for example, are some of our newest chapters as well, and we find that we have chapters in Japan and Korea, as well as a well-founded chapter in Australia. One of our newest and most active chapters on the radar is coming out of China, so we expect great things there as well. The United States, of course, is where INCOSE was initially founded in 1990, and it continues to be the location with the greatest number of members. But even here we're seeing growth in Canada and growth in South America, and Brazil joined us as a chapter very recently, earlier this year. The European community is the motivator for why the original organization, which was called INCOSE, was actually evolving into an international organization when European chapters started to really grow and express their own identities. So we have very, very strong and large chapters in the UK, in the Netherlands, and in Germany, where we have been historically, and many, many other strong chapters and growing chapters in the rest of Europe. Our newest entrees will be coming to us, we think, mostly from Africa, where we have had a South African chapter for since the middle of this decade, and so we are really expecting great things to come out of Africa.
And how can the Danish members benefit from the worldwide organization?
We're actually very excited about Denmark joining our systems engineering community. Our systems engineering handbook has, since 2000, included an example of the construction that was done in the Øresund area with the bridge and the combined tunnels, and how they managed to do this under very, very tight constraints. We see that, and based on today, I see that there will be many, many opportunities for collaboration and further knowledge sharing as we learn from things that our Danish colleagues have already been doing, whether they've called it systems engineering or not, and hopefully can share from them things that maybe we've learned to do particularly well. One example that came up today, for example, was change management and configuration